Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and you can see price ride in the upper band. Last night's high, where did it come in? 17.25. Upper band today on the continuation chart, 45.23-ish. Front month, 45.16. So front month, they have already achieved the band ride, and that's what really counts. So let's peek at that chart real quick. So here's the December contract. Oh, I was looking at the wrong line. Okay, my fault. I've got this in the room. We have this block of all kinds of different Bollinger Bands and all this stuff. I looked at the hourly bands and not the daily band. So the daily band sitting up, 45.24. We're trading 45.17.25. So I think in order to get the band ride, in order to preserve the band ride, they're probably going to have to trade probably as high as 27 or 28 today, because as price expands, so do the bands. Now, losing the band is not the end of the world. It's just, just the end of the band ride. It doesn't necessarily... The point I'm trying to make is it doesn't give the bears control of anything. The bears are going to have to take control themselves. So we talked yesterday about the market kind of slowing down. And if you look at the hourly chart, it's now just, it's this slower bleed up. It's flattened out overnight. It came in a little bit in the regular session and then just kind of hopped up and made a higher high right at the close. This is the slow dripping bleed up that we've seen so many times that frustrates the heck out of shorts. And what it does with trading is it makes, the opportunities become a little bit less, and the ability to hold for larger numbers kind of goes away, because at least with yesterday, it would whip back and come through and do stuff like that. The open was very whippy as we were battling over 4,500, which you would expect at a roundie. So we hit our goals yesterday, but it was our lowest point total of the month. Only 5 handles and change, which, look, it's more than 4. It's what we look to do. And, in a week that's been made for a while, and in a month that's been made forever, you'll take it. It's not, you don't want to be taking red days. You don't want to be over trading. And that's what this will get you to do. This will get you to overtrade. Either because you're FOMOing something that you didn't do, a day or a couple of days before, and you're like, well, I'm not going to miss this. I'm not going to miss this again. So I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna do this. You have to shy away from that. You have to be self-disciplined enough to come in, make your number, and be done. Not come in, make your number, and say, well, I'll do one more. I'll do one more. I'll do one more. Doing one more is usually right about the time that the floor falls out from under your feet. Make your numbers, keep your discipline, respect your risk, and move on to the next day. That's how intraday trading, building those blocks, that's how you become successful. All right, so let's talk about today. You can see the hourly bands are starting to tighten up again. Bandwidth right now is 0.255. So we're going to get some kind of movement today. Maybe not huge, but it'll move. It's not going to do this all day. I mean, it could, and if it does, that's fine. It'll just be that much better of a tomorrow. You know what I mean? You've got volume weighted average price, the 5-minute midband, our proprietary moving average, and the hourly midband, all trading between 45.10 and 45.11. That plus that chart right there tells you everything you need to know. So we're flat. We'll be flat into the open. We didn't mess with last night. There was nothing to do last night. There was nothing to do. The thing's not going anywhere. And, if you're going to trade in overnights like last night, you're just going to get stopped out and whipped out and take unnecessary trades. And if you do it too much and you catch the wrong one, then you're going to take a big number on a whip move like this one, that 3 a.m. candle Europe Open. So When markets aren't exciting, you need to trade less, not more, because you tend to only make it exciting for you and not in a good way. That's the realities of trading. So we'll see how this opens up today. Keep an eye on 4,500 to the down. You got daily pivot sitting there at 45.01 half, I believe. And as far as the upside goes, well, they need to convert that 17, get up into 27, 28, and try to keep that band ride. But beyond that, the all-time high on the December contract is 45.39 half. 45.39 half. That's like one good hour away. So I was mentioning yesterday in the trading that we did for paid subscribers, I wouldn't be surprised if we saw it this week. If the bears don't do anything about it, they'll slow drip everybody to the highs. Why wouldn't they? They've done it a million times before. Why wouldn't they do it again? But we'll see. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care. Don't forget, sign up for the free Facebook group. We got a live training in there tomorrow, October 21st at noon. And I will catch everybody then. Take care. See you tomorrow.